If you're looking to evoke some of that awesome Shelby GT350 styling on your 2015 and newer Mustang, well then you might want to consider adding the MP Concepts GT350 style rocker splitters that we're talking about here today. Now this set of 2 splitters will install on your factory rockers and will obviously include a set of splitters and all of the clips and hardware for right around $250 to $300. Install, at least according to the site, is going to get a middle of the road 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and take about 3 hours or so to complete from start to finish. But if you hang with me for a bit, guys, we'll walk you through that job later in the video. So right off the bat, I would say these are going to be a perfect complement to the standard S550 owners who have installed or are thinking about installing a GT350 front end conversion, also available here on the site, also available from MP Concepts. Now, on the other hand, these would also look pretty cool on their own, as many of our customers have shown in the customer review and photo section. As always, guys, please check that out for some more detailed reviews and photos of these things installed on different colored Mustangs, so you can actually get a better sense of what they look like on your own ride at home. But getting back to my earlier point, these splitters were obviously heavily inspired by those found on the mighty GT350, and while yes, those were primarily designed with more aerodynamic purposes in mind, these splitters here from MP Concepts are going to be more of an appearance modification first. Now for reference sake, guys, we do also offer the GT500 style splitters on the site, also from MP Concepts. And while they appear to be extremely similar, and they are, the differences will be that the GT500 option includes a little winglet that kicks off the side a little bit here, and that's certainly going to increase the aggressive look of the splitters themselves if that's the look you're after. Now, as far as your construction is concerned, well, the MP splitters have been made from a durable injection molded ABS plastic, while they have been designed using OEM Ford CAD data. So the result is basically a perfect fitment, as reflected by a lot of those customer reviews I talked about earlier. Now, the ABS plastic has been finished in kind of a light textured black plastic here that will match the factory rockers pretty perfectly. I do want to make a quick note here, guys, and just point out the fact that these are not designed to be used in conjunction with other aftermarket rocker splitters from companies like Roush or maybe RTR, so just make sure you keep that in mind. But now let's segue into the installation as promised earlier. We're going to break it down for you guys, show you what you're in for in the garage or driveway, along with giving you a quick tool breakdown as well. Check it out.
Tools for this install: a drill, a 3/16 drill bit, vice grips, a plastic trim removal tool, as well as a metal one. All right, so we're gonna start by removing our stock rocker panel. Grab your trim removal tool and let's get to it. Starting at the front, inside the wheel well, towards the back of the tire, there's gonna be 3 clips that we do need to remove. Now, I moved the tire just so you can get a better angle at it. However, we're gonna start here at the 3 and then work our way to the back. Now with these clips, you simply pull the top of it first, and then you release the bottom. Now on the rear of the Mustang, towards the front of the wheel well, there's going to be one more clip that we need to get removed. Now underneath your stock rocker panel, there's going to be a series of 7 Christmas tree clips in the smaller indentations. Go ahead and remove those as well. Now with the clips removed, you can now pull away your stock rocker panel, releasing it from the body. It's just a few clips. Don't be afraid to give it a little pressure. Now grabbing your plastic trim removal tool, pry that at the back so we can release it from the pop clip there. And pull it away. Now that we have our stock rocker panel removed, we do need to remove the pre-painted part from our stock rocker panel so we can place it onto our new one. Grab your drill bit at this time so we could drill out the studs at the front and the back of our stock rocker panel. Now using a pair of pliers or vice grips, grip the bottom of the stud. That way it doesn't spin on you when you are drilling it out. And again, this is going to be a 3/16 drill bit. Now repeat that on the front side as well. Now with your studs drilled out, you can now start releasing the clips from the back side of the pre-painted section that we are going to be reusing. Now it may make it easier for you to grab a trim removal tool to undo some of these clips. Now with all of your clips suppressed, you can separate the painted part from your stock rocker splitter. Now we can take our painted section and place it onto our new rocker panel. These tabs that run along the new rocker panel will line up exactly with the painted portion. Now push them together until the clip engages and you'll hear a small click when the lip gets over the top of the clip. Now that our painted section is placed onto our new rocker, we can now place that onto our Mustang. Line up your holes as factory. Just give it a little push. Feel free to open up your door so you can have a better view. Now we can replace our pop clips that we removed from earlier. Don't forget to replace your pop clip in the rear and your Christmas tree clips underneath. Now repeat those steps on your passenger side. But for us, that's gonna wrap it up for our review and install of the MP Concepts GT350 style rocker splitters fitting your 15 to 21 GT, EcoBoost, and V6 Mustangs. For more videos just like this, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.